Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Friday, November 3rd, 2023. It is 12:26 and 12 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cancer and immunotherapy. So let's hop to it here. As cancer's sweet Achilles heel, unlocking the power of sugar chains, holds the key to cancer, immunotherapy. Date October 25th, 2023. Source, Kyoto University. A high expression of the enzyme beta-1,4, galactosyltransferase 3, is associated with noticeably shortened survival rates in several types of immunotherapy. Cancer deficiency in mice time inhibits tumor growth. The study shows a significant reduction of glycylation, a type of protein modification on T-cell surfaces correlates with increases in CD8+ immune cells infiltrating tumors. Weakly immunogenic and strongly immunogenic tumor cells were subcutaneously transplanted into galactosyltransferase knockout and wild-type mice to examine for tumor cell growth. Only the knockout mice suppress the growth of strongly immunogenic tumor cells. In galactosyltransferase knockout, or KO mice, they demonstrated the potential of manipulating glycylation of the T-cell surface as a new approach to cancer immunotherapy. And by purifying membrane proteins and enzymatically cleaving them to enrich glycopeptides, the team could identify the sites and structures of glycans, complex and highly branched sugar chains, and the amount of glycoproteins. The role of glycans has attracted much attention in studies on cancer cells, which proliferate and metastasize depending on their interaction with their microenvironment. In addition, the increased CD8+ T cells in knockout mice secreted anti-cancer compounds interferon Y and granzyme B. The scientific investigators and microbiologists found that the loss of galactosyltransferase caused significant fluctuations in gene expression in the immune system, a discovery which has significantly changed the direction of the next phase of research. The researchers have gained insight into the role of glycans in cancer progression and immune response, inspiring possibilities of galactosyltransferase-centered cancer therapies. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and later research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.